Today I'm here with Kelly Boling with Plum Springs Garage, and she's going to read to us. What are we going to read today?
We're reading Green Eggs and Ham.
Oh, green eggs and ham.
All right, let's get started. Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss.
Oh, I love Dr. Seuss.
I am Sam. I am Sam.
He's really moving fast, isn't he?
Sam, I am. That's Sam, I am. That's Sam, I am. I do not like that Sam, I am. Do you like green eggs and ham?
Ooh.
I do not like them, Sam, I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Would you like them here or there? I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am. I don't think he likes them. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse?
A mouse?
I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am. Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox?
Yeah.
Not in a box, not with a fox, not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am.
I guess he really doesn't like them.
Would you? Could you? In a car? Eat them? Eat them. Here they are. I would not. I could not in a car. You may like them. You will see. You may like them in a tree. Tree.
In a tree?
I would not, could not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am.
I guess he doesn't like them.
A train, a train, a train, a train. Could you, would you, on a train? Not on a train, not in a tree, not in a car. Sam, let me be. I would not, could not in a box. I could not, would not with a fox. I will not eat them with a mouse. I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them here or there. I will not eat them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am.
Oh, it's dark.
Say, in the dark? Here? In the dark? Would you, could you, in the dark? I would not, could not in the dark. Would you, could you in the rain? I would not, could not in the rain. Not in the dark, not on a train, not in a car, not in a tree. I do not like them, Sam, you see. Not in a house, not in a box, not with a mouse, not with a fox. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere.
No, that's what it sounds like.
You do not like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam, I am.
I don't know if I've ever had green eggs and ham.
Me either. Could you, would you, with a goat? I would not, could not, with a goat. Billy Goat.
Yeah.
Would you, could you, on a boat? I could not, would not on a boat. I will not with a goat. I will not eat them in the rain. I will not eat them on a train. Not in the dark, not in a tree, not on a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I will not eat them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. My goodness.
Yeah, wow.
Do not like green eggs and ham. They're in the sea.
I see that.
I do not like them, Sam, I am.
Uh-oh, he's underwater.
You do not like them, so you say? Try them, and you may. Try them, and you may, I say. Sam, if you let me be, I will try them. You will see. He's gonna try them.
Yeah.
Here he is.
And he doesn't look too happy, does he?
Mm-mm. Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam, I am. I would eat them in a boat. I would eat them with a goat. And I will eat them in the rain and in the dark and on a train and in a car and in a tree. They are so good, you see. So I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with a fox, and I will eat them in a house. I will eat them with a mouse, and I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. He never even knew.
No.
I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you, Sam, I am.